Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download games on your 1080 Ti plus CE calculator. Okay, so first you're going to go to this link. I will make sure to have it in the description. You want to do this on a computer. I don't think there's a way to do it without a computer. So there'll be a link in the description for this. You want to come to this website, click download. And most of you guys are PC, like Windows users. So you're going to download the exe file right here. Oh, shoot. And if you're a Mac user, download this. So for Windows, you just download it. Okay, and once that downloads, you want to open it, extract it if you need to, and it'll bring you to here. This is what you get from downloading it. Now from here, you're going to want to have your calculator and the cord, the charging cord. And you're just want to plug it into your computer and plug it into the calculator. Bop, your calculator will turn on and it'll connect. From this point, you guys want to make your way to the Calculator Explorer tab, and you're going to want to click the link in the description that will bring you to these games. Now there are quite a few games to pick from, as you guys can see here. I'm going to be showing you guys just how to download one of them. Let's say Geometry Dash. Sounds fun, you know? Save it, open it up. Now what you're going to do here is, if it's a zipped file like this, with a little zipper, extract all, extract it, replacing it because I already have them downloaded, and then you're going to see these files right here. Now most of you guys are wondering, like, what do I do with these files? Bop. And I already have them installed on here, so it's going to say duplicate. This right here. Alright. Don't worry about any of that, it's because I already have it downloaded. And then you're going to want to send it. Okay? Once you have that done, that's just rinse and repeat for all these other games if you want. Now, if some of the games aren't working right, you're going to want to go here, this other link in the description, and download the operating system right here. You know, download it like this, open it up. Okay, so you're going to have it, you're going to see it right here in your folder, and you do the same exact thing and paste it over there. Make sure you click this and then send it. That will give you the most up-to-date operating system for your calculator. Now that you have that done, I'm going to show you how to play the games on your calculator. On your calculator, you're going to click second, 0, go down to ASM, enter, click program, and then go down to the game you want. Thank you so much for watching. If this video gets enough likes and comments, I'll make a sequel to this video on how to get Game Boy games on your calculator. If you have any trouble, just comment below and I'll try my best to work it out. Have a good day, you guys.